customized flight mode can flexibly plan flight waypoints, suitable for scenarios like multi-crop interplanting and aquaculture. In the route mode, select Customized Flight Path and click Add. Select the crosshair point marking. Choose the obstacle type. Drag the map using the crosshair and mark obstacles within the block on the high-definition map after aerial surveying. The red region outside the obstacle boundary is the obstacle margin range, with a default of 1.5 meters, which can be adjusted as needed. Select boundary points to sequentially plan the operation flight path. The flight path cannot cross the obstacle margin range, otherwise it cannot be saved. Click on the boundary point to modify its position, or double-click to delete the boundary point. You can also choose whether the next flight path from the boundary point will spray or spread. On the Flight Path Settings page, you can also set the estimated operation width, affecting the estimated area and estimated application amount. After planning is complete, click Save.